construction company owner from Shantou, Guangdong, asked us to restore his beloved old Toyota Crown that had been with him through years of hard work. He said it was the very first car he ever owned, and it helped him build the life he has today. After so many years, the car had become worn out. The engine was difficult to start and was burning oil. The suspension bushings were badly worn, and both the engine and transmission had serious oil leaks, along with many other problems that had built up over the years. This time, we're going to fix everything once and for all. Some people wonder why anyone would spend so much money restoring a car that's more than 10 years old. By the end of this video, you'll understand why. Over the next month, we'll completely transform this old Crown into a car that looks and drives like new. The interior will be completely reupholstered. Next, we'll remove the oil-burning engine. Layer after layer of grime covers it, and it's leaking oil from almost everywhere. The engine and transmission are leaking oil from every possible place, so they'll both be repaired. Next, they go into the workshop for a complete teardown and rebuild. Before disassembly, we'll give everything a thorough wash to remove years of built-up grease and dirt. Use an inspection scope to check whether the Sanyuan unit is intact. Every worn internal component will be replaced with new parts. Those who know engines already understand why this is the right way to do it. Take a look at this suspension arm. I have no idea which mechanic installed it like this. I don't even know how the owner managed to drive the car this way. I'm not even going to ask. clean out the clogged exhaust system because otherwise, no matter how well you rebuild the engine, the car will still feel sluggish and lack power. We removed the old speaker covers and found the speakers were completely deteriorated. After restoring them, the sound system will deliver the rich audio quality it was meant to have. Next, the car is handed over to the paint department. We'll refinish it using a full PPG 90 series paint system. Any old paint that's cracked or peeling is completely stripped away. The remaining paint is carefully sanded smooth, and a layer of epoxy primer is applied immediately to prevent rust and future cracking before the final paint is sprayed. Watch how the wheel arch lines are shaped. The craftsmanship is on another level. Every bit of the old paint is sanded away, and the entire car is sprayed with primer to create the perfect surface for the color coat and ensure a flawless finish. Finally, we apply PC40 scratch resistant clear coat to give the paint a smoother and brighter finish. It's one of the best automotive clear coats available on the market. Next, we'll clean the interior and reinstall the sound insulation. The old firewall insulation that was causing the bad odor is removed and replaced. Then the interior is thoroughly cleaned and fresh sound deadening material is installed. Use genuine adhesive during installation, or it may come loose and all the work will be wasted. Next, the entire air conditioning system is disassembled and thoroughly cleaned to completely eliminate any bad odors. The interior frame is restored to look like new, and over 20 years of dust and dirt are removed from the air conditioning system. Now everything looks much cleaner. We replace the foam seals to prevent air leaks and apply lubricant so the climate control can switch smoothly between hot and cold. The wiring harness is also thoroughly cleaned before being reinstalled. The sunroof is also fully serviced and restored to proper working condition. Replace worn-out clips to prevent loosening and abnormal noises. Once the chassis is fully assembled, the final step is a four-wheel alignment. This prevents the suspension bushings from being under unnecessary stress and restores the car's most comfortable ride. It also makes the car drive better and helps the bushings last much longer. The entire car is polished to give the paint a smoother and glossier finish. After that, we perform a full water leak test to make sure there are no leaks anywhere. We take the car over rough roads to test the comfort of the restored suspension. Then we do a straight line road test to check the stability and smooth performance of the engine and transmission. Finally, we inspect the paint outdoors under natural light to make sure no imperfections remain. Every detail has to be perfect before the car is returned to its owner. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.